Alright, gearheads and tech enthusiasts, buckle up. Today, we're diving headfirst into a fiery debate: the right to repair movement. Specifically when it comes to your motorcycles. Ever feel like your bike's a locked vault, and only the manufacturer holds the key? You're not alone. So, what's the deal? The right to repair is about giving owners the power to fix their stuff. Think of it as David versus Goliath. David is the rider, and Goliath is the motorcycle industry, with its proprietary software and tightly controlled diagnostics. Let's break it down. Modern motorcycles are rolling computers. They're packed with sensors, ECUs, and software that manages everything. Here's the kicker: often, only the manufacturer has the tools to diagnose and repair these systems. This is where the drama starts. Imagine your bike throws a code. You go to an independent mechanic, but they can't access the diagnostic information because the manufacturer hasn't provided the necessary tools. What happens? You're forced to go to the dealer, which can mean higher costs and delays. Not cool. Then there's software updates. Manufacturers sometimes release updates to improve performance, but if you can't easily install them yourself, you're at their mercy. This control can extend to things like customizing your bike's performance. The right to repair argues that this lack of access is anti-consumer. They want manufacturers to provide the necessary diagnostic tools, software, and repair manuals to owners and independent repair shops. It's a Freedom of Information Act for your motorcycle. The motorcycle industry has its reasons. They argue that their proprietary software and diagnostics are essential for ensuring safety. They also claim that providing access to these tools could lead to unauthorized modifications that could void warranties and cause safety issues. Plus, they make money from repairs. So, where does this leave us? The debate is ongoing. Many countries are considering or have passed right to repair legislation, requiring manufacturers to provide access to diagnostic information. It's a win for consumers and mechanics. What can you do? Stay informed. Support organizations for right to repair. When buying a new bike, consider the manufacturer's stance on this. Let your voice be heard. Contact your elected officials. It's about empowerment, giving you more control over your motorcycle, and ensuring that you have the right to choose how it's repaired. It's a fight worth watching. Ride on and stay informed.